is up, guys? Your boy Betty Gone is back again with some more Halloween Part 2. Today, I just came home from school and now I'm settled. Now, we can get to the Skittles unboxing. I got a lot of candy from you today. Thank you very much. It changed my life. So today I'm going to do a few unboxings. So I just got this back today. I don't know. Thank you so much. So the next one is going to be Kai actually gave me these, which I don't know if you like it, but just a few, but another Starburst, which I really don't need that, but yeah, so man, I really got surprised too. And the fact that I wanted to do this candy Halloween is these packs. Now I do want to say I never saw this in stores like Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, all them stores. I didn't saw this, but this. So we're only gonna be taking a look at these two today. These two is wait a minute. These is what we're taking a look at today. So let's open them. So first, I'm gonna open this one. See what we get. Okay, so is wow. Now this one is, you should all know this is a Skittle. You should all know what a Skittle is by now. I know most of you like Skittles, so green one, yellow one, and so yeah. And also got is blue one. Got is orange one, and same, and it's still the same. So still the same, still the same. So these is what we get in it. This is what we get in it. So yeah, Halloween Part 2 is like very, very close like that, but yeah, so this is it. So let's go into the other one and let's see what's inside. Same opening package. You see this? And oh, another thing, the red. Like, Alright, really nothing too obvious about. So that's just gonna be our Skittle unboxing. So, what you guys think below in the comment below about this Skittle unboxing, and what you guys think of this Skittle unboxing. But more unboxings coming. More boxings. Stay tuned for more candy unboxings. So more candy boxing. Now I'll probably do next this unboxing. I'll probably do this next, or I can do this one. So what's your opportunities in the comments below. I will see you more with more Cheese Unbox. See you soon.